Hi, Beanbeauti. Happy Easter to those of you who celebrate, and happy Sunday if um, you don't celebrate. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I um, am supposed to be switching from this bag into this bag for Easter. This is my Coach Rowan Loved Denim, and this is my Dooney and Bourke Lucca Leather and Kelly Green. But I am not wanting to switch. So come with me and help me decide which bag I'm going to wear for Easter. Hi, Bean Beauties. Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Well, I'm going to try to do a switch out. I'm going to get ready for Easter, and I'm supposed to switch from this bag into this bag. And I also have some friend mail here that I'm going to show y'all. But I really don't want to switch bags, so um while I'm still deciding or not deciding, I should be switching into this bag because I've been in this bag since the first drop in February, right? So February, March, so all of February, March, and now we're into April. So I should be switching over because I try to switch every week, but I have been staying in a bag for a month, but now I've been in this bag for longer than that. Okay, let's do this. Let's just do friend mail and then we'll come back to this. Okay, we'll set this aside and set this aside. And I've got friend mail from my friend Rachel, Bag Babes Courtier. And I opened it already, but I want to share with you what I got. This is it says, I'm a marshmallow scented, and it's Peeps, a Hello Kitty and Friends Peeps. And so she's a Hello Kitty. There's her little face there, but she's a peep. It is so dressed. She's a Hello Kitty dressed as a peep, and she smells delicious. She smells really, really good. I got that, and then some goodies, lots of goodies in here, some chocolates, and a little baggie of chocolates. Here's her card. I'll read to you in just a second. And let's see. Here are some Jelly Bellies. My husband loves Jelly Bellies. Well, we all do, but he really loves them. So I think I'm going to share that with him. Here is some hand sanitizer, and it's peeping it real. That's cute, peeping it real. Instead of keeping it real, it's peeping it real. That's hilarious. Hilarious. And then this had this beautiful egg wrapped up. And this gorgeous. And let me read you the card so that you know what this is from. And she picked that especially for me because why? Because it's red. And here it says Dee Dee. It's a beautiful little hummingbird. It says, Happy Easter, Dee Dee. The egg is a hand-painted pisanki from a local Polish market. Enjoy, Rachel. So it's a Polish painted egg, and it is in the background of it is mainly reds, which is why she picked it for me. And it's hand painted. It is just beautiful. I love, 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 love this gesture. Thank you so much, Rachel. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Love that. Okay, so back to my dilemma. This is a Dooney and Bourke Lucca leather satchel. And it's got the one with the pocket here and the pocket in the back. I unboxed that for my membership, and they got to see a video on it, and I think I made a post with it, showing y'all that I got that bag. And my intentions were to change into it for Easter. But I'm still wanting to stay in this bag. This is just such a beautiful, comfortable bag. It's one of those things that it's a me bag. It's a me bag. So I was watching Winnie B yesterday, on Saturday, and she was showing that she is in the regular Rowan of this one. And I told her, I said, I'm still in my large Rowan, and I'm feeling a little guilty because I need to switch out. And she sent back something saying, you know, don't feel guilty, wear what you like, or something like that. So I think I'm going to hold on to that advice, and I'm going to stay in this, and I'm just going to change her up, change the dressing up, and change her from this look to an Easter look. And I'm going to save this bag for later. And then maybe I'll do the tag of, it's supposed to be like one bag with 5 different looks. And I'll just do the Rachel from Bag Bags Courtier created. But instead of doing 5 looks, I'll do 2 looks. And then I'll call it even. I'll call it a day. Okay, so this is pretty much coming undone. It's been sitting there, and we haven't gone anywhere because it's been cold and rainy. And face it, people, I don't really go a lot of places. But this was coming loose, so let's take this off. And let's see what I want to change or what I want to keep in this. This one has been staying on only because I use some rubber bands, because this one kept coming off. But I use a little bitty rubber bands that, oh, maybe it looks like that one came off. That side came off. Did it stay over here? Yeah, here it is right here. See? And I use this to help me keep it on. So apparently this side fell off, but this one is still here. And I just kind of wrapped it around to help keep it in place. And that actually helped a lot. So, and this is my Coach Cherry scarf, silk scarf. I'd like to get a second one, but these are $42.50 or something like that, which in the scheme of things, I mean, I've paid more for a LV Murakami scarf, but why I don't want to get another one for this price, I don't know. I'm such a dingbat. But here's what it looks like. And I was hoping they'd go on sale by now, but they haven't. So, alrighty. But what I did do is, oh no, I purchased 2 of these for me, and I'm not sure how I'll use it because I bought them for, sent one to Rachel since she likes scarves. Sent one to Rachel, and it was so cute. I was like, okay, I need one for myself. Does anybody else do that? I do that all the time. I did that with several things. I had to buy one for somebody else, and then I buy one for myself too. Okay, let me open these up and I'll come back. Okay, so here's what this scarf looks like. Isn't she beautiful? There, Miss Rabbit. She's beautiful. So I have that to adorn her with, and I have 2 of them. If I'm just going to wrap it around each one, or if I'm going to tie it, I'm not sure. Then I also have this. This is a luggage tag, but I'm going to use it as a bag charm. And I got this, and I don't remember who gave this to me to get me ready for Easter. Was it Rachel or was it Simply Lady M? You know what? This is a sneak peek, so you've got to look. We have to look into my birthday videos, and we'll find out through my birthday videos where this came from. And I also have this ducky that I could use, and I have this as well that I could use. I don't know if I'll use everything, but let's see. So guess what? This video is going to turn into an unbagging video because if I'm going to stay in that other bag, then I need to open this up for y'all. and use what I want off of this. So before the second drop came with the Loved Denim, I was on a Facebook group and somebody was selling this for the price that they had purchased, including shipping, that they purchased the bag from the website, and it included shipping. So I wasn't going to be out any money, and it was what I would have paid. Actually, it was less because it was on the original price, and then it went up. The release went up. So I think I talked to y'all about wanting to get the mini Rowan, because when I was looking at everything, because when I opened up the large Rowan, the strap was too short for me, and I wrapped it around my bag, which I love because Sharon in the Thick of It blog, or of the Thick of It blog, I'll put it up here. I saw her short and she did that, and I just loved it. She was the first person I saw, and so I started looking at all of the different links, and they put the longest strap on the mini Rowan. And I was watching somebody, and they unboxed a mini Rowan, and they said they were wishing they had a shorter strap, and because they were a smaller person, and this was way too long for them. And I was like, but this is the mini Rowan, which is so adorable. And I don't know if she looks smaller than my regular mini Rowans. So I kept this off of the mini Rowan, and along with this strap. And the strap looks shorter, but I always say that. We'll find out if it is or isn't. Then I have these scarves, and I have a lot of my charms to play with. I also, Kim from La Vida with Kim last year, for my birthday, gave me this. This is one of the little things that she had included when she gave me my Dorothy Crocs. And so I also see that I have that. I'm gonna keep with the color theme. It's kind of, that's what Deline gave me. I don't remember who gave me this. And then I got this from Christmas. So these are all the things that I'm going to use. Oops. We're going to take this off and not use this. We're going to take off the red palette, and we're going to keep the palette off of here and keep this palette. So we're going to use the mauvey pinks and the greens, the browns. So let's see, how does that look? The yellows, we're going to add yellow. All right, so you probably don't want, I don't know if you want to sit here with me to do this. I'm going to take all this off, and then I'll come back and show you what I decided to use. Okay, Bean Beauties, I'm back, and this is what we ended up. I found this. I remember that I had this. I've been organizing my charms and trying to get everything organized so I can see things a little bit better, because I have quite a bit now. So I found this that I got for my birthday, which I'm not sure when this video will go out, but you'll find out that Melissa from Simply Lady M gave me this. This is my Chanel, it looks like an egg. It's the egg hand cream. And then I gave this to myself after I got FOMO from my Galentine's collab, and put this on. So yeah, hand sanitizer here, hand sanitizer there. I'm all set. So this is the front. So I have the two straps now. I have this, which is the crossbody strap, and I have this one, which is the original strap. I put it around, and I decided to wrap the handles. And then here is the back, because you know we can't see the butt. I went ahead and kept the gold chain on. And this is what I got from Deline, and this is what I got from Kim from La Vida with Kim, and this is from Yoshia Looks, Deline. And then I purchased this for myself off of Amazon a while back, and I think that all kind of goes together. So I will take some mod shots. This will probably go out after Easter. And I'll take some mod shots showing y'all what I wore. I have no idea what I'm going to wear because it is getting cold outside and rainy. And so now my whole outfit has completely changed. So this is what I got. Y'all got to see an unboxing. You got to see my Dooney Lucca leather, the green one, and a little bit of preview of some gifts that are coming up on my series. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for being here with me, and I hope that sometimes y'all are okay with these kind of videos. Love y'all. Bye-bye.